This is Dr. Vaishali and I'm reading from the book Structure, book written by Dr. Shajan Sankaran. Uh, Understanding of the row 3, expression of the row 3 remedies. Today's remedy, today's element is natrum or sodium. Properties of natrum. Natrum is a cation with only one valence electron. It is highly unstable when not combined with an anion. In order to achieve stability, natrum readily tends to give this one atom to another element, which also shows their extreme dependency and needliness. Once it form a bond with any anion, it becomes difficult to break the bond, as the cation natrum holds it very tight. Similar phenomena we observe in the natrum patients who exhibit a strong need for a one-to-one relationship. Now, understanding of the natrum. In natrum, the issue is I have a separate existence, but I have no separate identity. I have no capacity to find my own nourishment and care. In this stage, the process of developing one's identity is just at the thought level, not in reality. There is no sense of identity. I am not me. Natrum belongs to the meeting point of the row 3 and column 1 of the periodic table, and where they are completely dependent on their partner to give them identity. They will do whatever their partner wants, decides, and choose for them. They need lot of love, care, nurturing from their partner. The feeling is I don't know what I am and I don't know what I want, so whatever you say is acceptable to me. For example, at restaurant where they can choose, they will say I don't know what I want and there is no choice. Even in the nature, sodium and potassium, potassium is on the meeting point of row 4 and column 1, where they cannot exist independently and they immediately unite with some elements to form a salt. Natrum looks for, similarly, natrum needs to bond with relatives or spouse to feel they have an identity. If they lose the relationship, they feel they have also lost their identity. Hence, to avoid that, they cling to the relationships. They have no capacity to stay alone without the relationship. Natrum looks for a kind of romantic love, where in a relationship they are unable to recognize or vocalize what they want or what they feel. They expect the other persons to know it and fulfill it. The feeling is they should know what I want without me having to tell it. If I have to tell it, then what is the point? For example, a woman feels he should know that on our anniversary we should go to a restaurant and there should be a rose that is blue or blue on one side, and he should know without me having to tell. That is love. Then if she discover that he is buying a blue and red rose for someone else, that is terrible for her. Her world collapses and she is extremely disappointed. She feels it like a stab in the back, being betrayal and breach of the trust. This love is always disappointment or disappointed, as you cannot expect love of a mother in an adult life. No adult can ever provide it. The feeling would be, how can he do this? How can he let me down? But he can do it because he was not your mother. Every adult looks out for his self-interest and expect that for the mother who could give up her life for the child. They need motherly nourishment. It is also seen that they tend to make a very close one-to-one relationship with the treating physician, even with the treating physician. In normal circumstances, they would not talk much, but in crisis, they just went out. They are also particular about the maintaining the confidentiality. Some of them will not give consent to video record their case, or will also mind the presence of another doctor or assistant. They like to communicate one to one. Now, understanding of the natrum salts. Number 1 is natrum carbonicum. The main theme of Natrum Carbonicum is of vital reaction of the carbon needed by the person who is alone, without relationships on a one-to-one level with another human being, which is content of Natrum. The feeling is I cannot exist independently from person who provide me care and nourishment. Now the summarize from other earlier books, Natrum Carbonicum picture is like Natrum Carbonicum is a salt belonging to sodic miasm. They need not need just one relationship and are very dependent on this one relationship, without which they feel tremendous fear, sadness and sense of isolation. This is brought out based in the delusion of Natrum Carbonicum, delusion division between the himself and others. It is this tremendous need for and dependence on the relationship that make them very vulnerable to hurt. Natrum therefore develop a fear of people and tries to avoid contact. While on the one hand they try to avoid company, on the other hand they also dread being alone. Company aversion too, yet desire being alone. This is rubric. The theme of the carbonate is that of fear of death with a need for vital reactions in order to survive, as suggested by the rubric, starting from the fright. Natrum Carbonicum is very sensitive, especially to separation from the beloved and to the breaking of relationship. When the beloved is not there or has gone away, the patient shows great sadness, reacting to sad music, especially that from the piano. They desire to make contact but have been unsuccessful in forming a relationship and blame themselves for it. So the delusion rubric is delusion he cannot succeed, does everything wrong. There is a dullness, prostration of the mind, indifference, discouragement and despair. As they feel more and more isolated, alone, they become avaricious, developing a fear of robbers, and all this naturally keeps them in a discontented, uncomfortable and sad state. There is also the vital fear seen in starting at the slightest noise, fear of all mankind, fear of thunderstorm, fear constant of everything. It is interesting to note that Natrum Carbonicum does not have any fear or delusion of animals. They are only afraid of people. The dream of Natrum Carbonicum include dream of danger, of robbers, of murder, of corpus, of water and flood, while the pleasant dreams are of marrying two women, of parties and entertainment. The pleasant dreams shows that the patient is setting up relationships and having good contact with the society, whereas the anxious dream shows fear of death and fear associated with being lonely. Now rubric of Natrum Carbonicum are aversion to husband, aversion to member of the family, company aversion to, yet dread to be alone and contented, delusion division between himself and others, estranged from the family, estranged from friends, fear of thunderstorm, 4-second feeling, indifference when in society, misanthropy, sadness, aversion to company, desire for the solitude, chilly but heat of sun aggravates, feeling of tremendous coldness, icy coldness, especially of hand and fingers. Now, Raga Yaman produced the feeling of Natrum Carbonicum. During a proving at at my seminar in Bombay, the main theme that came up after playing the raga were of solitude, being alone in the world, division between oneself and other, being in the world of one's own, a solitude without fear, a lofty feeling as if looking at a city below, a feeling of gaiety and mirth, contentment and tranquility, anxiety for others, sympathy. Also, on the other hand, where sadness like that which is felt on departure of near and dear one, like wedding ceremony, the beloved is going away and his wife is telling him not to go away, and pacifying loved ones as if waiting for someone, being neglected by the friends, of seeing something black and fearful and darkness. There was a desire to be at the mother's breast. Keyword of Natrum carbonicum are loneliness, no one to care, can't connect with the people, I feel I am one person different from others, can't socialize, I am odd one out, sinking. Now the crux is what? This is crux with the one case of Natrum carbonicum, illustrative case of Natrum carbonicum. This is the case of 31-year-old woman, first seen on 27 January 2003. She came for the treatment of hypothyroidism. She did not have many complaints other than loss of hair and weight gain. Losing hair and putting on weight bothers her the most. She says, my hair texture has completely changed. Even woman wants good hair. Even every woman wants good hair, but I don't have. This coarse hair affect my looks. I don't feel confident about my personality. It is causing a dent in my personality. She also feels depressed because she is not losing weight in spite of trying to do so. This is an introvert and sensitive woman and weeps easily when her mother or brother speaks harshly to her. She says, I am usually balanced, never brood, take life the way it comes, but at the moment dangling in between, not being able to concentrate either on my career or home, absolutely in between position. The feeling of not settled, not on the track, a little insecurity. How will life take turns or shapes? Uncertainty is there. She is much attached to her mother, as her mother pampers her a lot and always there to take care of her. My whole world revolves around my mother. Miss her not being around. Very anxious about her health and would feel settled. If she is not there, there is a feeling of insecurity. I want to be with everyone, want to keep them happy. I cannot stay alone. Feels very restless. This is the major hindrance in her marriage because she does not want to leave the city where she stay and her family, especially her mother, as she may need her mother anytime. She suffered from the major grief when her grandmother expired. I was in shock-like state. My hand was shivering, had severe chilliness for 2 hours, and I was mumbling irrelevant things, maybe experiencing something like panic attack. I cannot accept death of any close member of my family. She suffered from the vasovagal attack where she faint on seeing blood, pinprick or any pain triggering factor. She feels claustrophobic, faint in crowded places and experience dizziness at high places and get startled at sudden noise. She dream of something going wrong and missing her exam. She like music of every kind, craves bread, ice cream, fruits and vegetables and loves potato. She suffers from the throbbing and pounding headache that are worse in sun and after the dream of exam. Now here case analysis is what? Her mother, her main problem is of hair loss, right? And the effect of this problem on her is that her self-confidence has reduced. Her main anxiety was that she was not getting a partner to marry. She felt like she was dangling in between and had nothing to hold on to. And this made her very insecure about her future. She felt very helpless and wanted to keep very close to her mother. Her entire world revolved around her mother. She lacked the feeling that she is attached and she needed that feeling, especially to her mother. She wanted pampering, love and care from her mother. We see here her need for attachment to somebody who provides care and nourishment. At the time when she lost her grandmother, with whom she was very attached, and she felt shattered as if she is not there, as if she can't exist. Her main reaction was getting startled and panic, which is suggesting the carbon reaction. Now, rubric of the Natrum carbonicum from the complete repertory are, in generality, there is a faintness fainting, excitement on, faintness, fainting, crowded room in, cold aggravate, food and drinks, potatoes desire for, food and drinks, bread desire for, and head pain, general sun exposure to aggravate, mind, startle from noise from, extremity, coldness upper limb, hands, skin, eruptions, herpetics, succedated and ringworm like. Remedy was given natrum carb 0/3. I choose to give LM potency as she didn't experience many emotions. There was Danielle and she only presented with the pathological symptom. Now follow-up with 2-3 time follow-up was there, and after in June 2005, her thyroid level is drastically reduced from 60 to 3. That's so end of the case. In next chapter we will discuss about natrum muriaticum.